Welcome to Softbroks. If you are a content creator looking to enhance your videos, streamline your workflow, and produce high-quality content effortlessly, then you need to leverage the power of AI. In 2025, AI tools are more advanced than ever, allowing creators to generate videos, voiceovers, music, images, and even research content with ease. In this video, I will walk you through 8 of the best free AI tools that will completely change the way you create content. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, blogger, or social media marketer, these tools will help you save time and maximize creativity. Stay tuned until the end to find the perfect AI tool for your content creation journey. Now, let's dive into the list. Tool 1. HeyGen, AI Video Avatar Creator. The first tool on the list is HeyGen, a revolutionary AI-powered video avatar creator. If you create faceless videos or simply don't want to be on camera, HeyGen allows you to generate a digital avatar that looks and sounds just like you. All you need to do is record a short video of yourself, and HeyGen will create a realistic AI-powered avatar that can speak and move naturally. HeyGen offers a free plan, and while it has some limitations, it is still an excellent tool for getting started with AI-generated video content. Tool 2. ElevenLabs, AI Voice Generator. Next up is ElevenLabs, one of the most powerful AI voice generation tools available. This tool allows you to create an ultra-realistic AI version of your own voice. Simply upload a small sample of your voice, and ElevenLabs will generate an AI model that mimics your tone, accent, and speaking style. This is an incredible tool for content creators who produce a lot of voiceovers but don't want to record every script manually. Whether you are making explainer videos, audiobooks, or even dubbing content in different languages, ElevenLabs makes the process seamless. The free version lets you generate a limited number of voice clips per month, but for frequent users, upgrading to a paid plan is worth considering. Tool 3. Suno AI, AI Music and Background Audio. For content creators who need background music or soundtracks, Suno AI is an essential tool. This AI-powered platform generates original, royalty-free music tailored to your content. One of the biggest challenges for YouTubers and social media creators is finding copyright-free music that won't lead to demonetization. Suno AI solves this problem by producing high-quality music that fits different moods and themes. Whether you need cinematic background scores, upbeat tracks for vlogs, or lo-fi beats for podcasts, Suno AI has you covered. The best part? The generated music is completely unique, meaning you won't have to worry about copyright claims. Tool 4. NotebookLM, AI-powered research assistant. If you spend a lot of time researching topics for videos, blog posts, or scripts, then NotebookLM by Google is a must-have tool. It acts as an AI-powered research assistant that helps summarize large amounts of information quickly. With NotebookLM, you can upload PDFs, blog articles, or even YouTube transcripts, and it will break down the key points for you. It can also answer specific questions about the content, making research much more efficient. Instead of spending hours reading and taking notes, you can get a clear summary of any document within minutes. This is especially useful for content creators who rely on accurate information to create high-quality, informative videos. Tool 5. Perplexity AI, AI-powered search engine. For real-time, AI-driven search results, Perplexity AI is a great alternative to traditional search engines like Google. Instead of sifting through multiple websites, Perplexity AI provides concise, well-researched answers instantly. This is perfect for content creators who need quick access to reliable information without the hassle of checking multiple sources. Whether you are fact-checking, researching trends, or looking for inspiration, Perplexity AI can save you a lot of time. Tool 6. ChatGPT AI Chatbot for Content and Productivity. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools for content creators. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, generating captions, or even coding, ChatGPT can assist with almost any task. For YouTubers, it can help with scriptwriting, video ideas, and audience engagement strategies. For bloggers, it can generate article drafts, improve SEO, and refine content. For social media creators, it can generate engaging captions and post ideas tailored to different platforms. ChatGPT is available for free with basic features, and for those who need more advanced capabilities, upgrading to ChatGPT Plus unlocks even greater potential. Tool 7. DALL-E AI Image Generator. Visual content plays a crucial role in digital media, and DALL-E is one of the best AI-powered tools for creating unique images. Instead of searching for stock photos, DALL-E allows you to generate original images by simply describing what you need. This tool is great for YouTube thumbnails, blog illustrations, marketing materials, and social media graphics. Whether you need futuristic designs, cartoon-style artwork, or realistic imagery, DALL-E can generate high-quality visuals in seconds. Tool 8. Runway ML AI Video Editing and Effects. If you're a content creator looking for AI-powered video editing, Runway ML is an essential tool. It offers AI-powered background removal, motion tracking, auto-subtitling, and even text-to-video generation. With features like AI-powered in-painting, removing unwanted objects from videos, and automatic scene transitions, Runway ML makes video editing effortless and professional. It's perfect for YouTube creators who want high-quality edits without spending hours manually fine-tuning their videos. These 8 AI tools will completely transform the way you create content in 2025. Whether you need help with video production, voiceovers, music, research, or visual design, AI is making content creation easier and more accessible than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content creation tips and AI tool recommendations. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.